Hey folks, 1881 MF, Little Debbie Does. We're on the Life Buzzing channel. We're using that Weber Kettle grill outside. It's cold, but it's perfect for grilling. And look what we made tonight. Grilled chicken wings. They're so good and so easy. And watch the video and you see how we did it. Yummy. Okay, for our marinade for our grilled chicken wings, we're gonna need half a cup of soy sauce, half a cup of Italian salad dressing, and we're gonna whisk that real good. Once you have your marinade whisked and mixed up real well, we're gonna just add it to our bag of chicken wings. We're gonna zip up the bag, put it in the refrigerator, and marinate. I don't know, 1 to 6 to overnight if you want. And of course, during the marinade process, if you want to flip them from time to time, knock yourself out. Get that good love all over those lovely chicken wings. Okay, so we're going to be grilling our chicken legs with the Vortex. I got a whole chimney of charcoal briquettes going. Once they get warmed, we're going to dump them in our Vortex and let the grill warm up a little bit. Okay, so I got a good full hot chimney of coals. I am going to insert my Vortex. And I'm going to add the coal. All the coals are in the Vortex. We're going to close the lid, let it warm up a little bit, and then we'll put our chicken wings all the way around the outside and cook them for 50 minutes. Okay, we've let our Weber Kettle charcoal grill warm up, and as you can see, it pegs a pretty hot temperature. So we're going to open. And we are going to put our chicken skin up, fat part in.
Smell. If you could.
If anybody can smell that, let me know what it smells like on the camera, because I'm not sure if it smells the same as it does in person. Of course, you can put enough on here to feed 6 or 7 people. We did. I'm gonna lay out all these chicken arms. My family, we call them baby chicken arms. And then, the only thing I do is salt, pepper, onion, and garlic. Thanks to my brother being so smart, he's taught me to pre-make that and mix it all.
Oh, so one shaker.
Yeah.
Nice.
Left-handed here. All right. Now we're going to close her up and we're going to let her cook for 50 minutes. 5-0. Okay, people. It's been 50 minutes. 5-0. Look at that. Oh yeah, I think they're done. Crispy. Ready to chow. I don't know what Debbie's gonna eat.
Yeah. How many are there?
Probably not enough.
Not enough.
There's never enough.
They're just like little chicken potato chips.
So I did a little marinade, like I said, with vinegar or salad dressing.
Salad dressing.
You know,
like Thousand
Italian
Island?
salad dressing.
Oh, okay.
And soy sauce, marinated for 1 to 6 hours overnight if you care, on the Weber charcoal with the Vortex for 50 minutes. There it is. Thanks for watching, people. 1881 MF, Little Debbie Does, on the kettle, making chicken on the Life Buzzing channel. Peace out.